Welcome to the GKTECH Polyurethane SR and Z chassis rear knuckle bushing install video. These are the bushings in a bag, aka the way they'll arrive to you, meaning they come in pairs, as shown. If you pull one apart, this is what you'd see, the metal insert and the poly outer. To install these, remove your knuckle in the least painful way you know, plop it down on a bench, and in this case we're going to be doing a HICAS knuckle, so we're going to be removing the ball joint. Start by removing the circlip as seen here, then bring the knuck to a press and push that garbage right on out. This is said garbage in HD. Throw that in the bin in honor of Kobe and move on with your life. Get some sandpaper and make sure the inner surface is clean as a whistle. Now, as with most other parts we sell here at GKTECH, lube is key, so lube that knuck. Now there are two different ways to press the bushing in. The first way is to reach deep into your lube bucket and lube the ever-living crap out of the entire bushing, focusing on the tip. You heard me right. We'll be pushing the bushing in with a vise, so put the lube tip in first and make sure it's even and straight, then press her on in slowly. Next, lube up the metal shaft generously and use the same method to insert it into the bushing as shown here. And that's it for that method. A solid choice if you have a vise. If you don't have a vise, what are you doing messing with cars? Because this choice needs a vise as well, so go buy one. Now pop the bushing in the vise and then cut that sucker in half. Notice how we're rotating it to make sure that the cut is as straight as possible. Now you have a freshly destroyed brand new product. Just kidding. Lube both of the bushing halves, this time ignoring the tip, and keep in mind that these can be used to replace the traction and camber bushings as well. Of course, in this case, we replace the ball joint, which controls the toe, but anyway, press both sides in as shown here. Now once again, whip out the old bucket of lube and give that shaft a good lubing. Once it's fully lubed up, go ahead and put that in. You can do it one of two ways, by whacking it with a hammer, or doing it the civil way and pushing it in with the vise you just bought. And that's it, that's all. Remember, you can replace the toe, camber, and traction bushing, so keep that in mind when ordering. Remember to follow these two idiots on YouTube. They need the psychological validation. If you cannot do this and or you don't have a vise, contact a professional that does have one and have them do it for you. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach, the artist formerly known as Zach. Until next time, peace.